In front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. In this video we'll check if this phone has SD card slot. In order to check it, let me take the case off. And now we'll have to eject this SIM card tray. So let me do it right now. And as you can see, this phone does have SD card slot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.